Get ready to ace your next tech interview. In today's video, we are delving into the most frequently asked database management system interview questions. Whether you are preparing for a job interview or just looking to boost your knowledge, we've got you covered. We will unravel the concepts, provide clear explanations, and equip you with the insights you need to tackle DBMS questions with confidence. So let's dive right and master these common DBMS interview questions together.
First of all, what is a database before jumping straight into DBMS? It's a logical, consistent, and organized collection of data that can easily be accessed, managed, and updated. A database mostly consists of objects or tables, and tables include records and fields. Fields are the basic units of data storage, which contain the information about a particular aspect or attribute of the entity described by the database. And DBMS is used for extraction of data from the database in the form of queries.
What is a DBMS? DBMS provides us an interface or tool for performing different operations such as the creation of a database, inserting, deleting, updating data in it. This is software in which data is stored in a more secure way as compared to the file-based system. Some popular database management systems are mysql, Oracle, SQL Server, Amazon SimpleDB, which is cloud-based. It simply works as shown here.
In the realm of database management, several vital features stand out. These include redundancy control to eliminate duplicate data, stringent restrictions to safeguard against unauthorized access, and the provision of various user interfaces for versatility. Additionally, databases offer robust backup and recovery options, enforce integrity constraints to maintain data accuracy, and ensure overall data consistency. This enables straightforward data accessibility, and the ease of data extraction and processing is further enhanced through the utilization of efficient queries.
What is a checkpoint in DBMS? The checkpoint is a type of mechanism where all the previous logs are removed from the system and permanently stored in the storage disk. It's kind of a snapshot of the DBMS state. There are two ways which can help the DBMS in recovering and maintaining the ACID properties: atomicity, consistency, isolation, durability. And they are maintaining the logs of each transaction and maintaining shadow pages. So, when it comes to log-based recovery systems, checkpoints come into existence. Checkpoints are those points to which the database engine can recover after a crash as a specified minimal point from where the transaction log record can be used to recover all the committed data up to the point of the crash.
RDBMS stands for Relational Database Management Systems. It's used to maintain the data records and indices in tables. RDBMS is the form of DBMS which uses the structure to identify and access data concerning the other piece of data in the database. RDBMS is the system that enables you to perform different operations such as update, insert, delete, manipulate, and administrate a relational database with minimal difficulties. Most of the time, RDBMS use SQL language because it is easily understandable and is used often.
There are four types of database languages. First, data definition language. Commands like create, alter, drop, truncate, and rename. All these commands are used for updating the data. That's why they are known as data definition language. Next, data manipulation language. Commands like select, update, insert, and delete. These commands are used for the manipulation of already updated data. That's why they are part of the data manipulation language.
Data control language. Grant and revoke. These commands are used for giving and removing the user access to the database. So, they are part of the data control language. Transaction control language. Commit, rollback, and save point. These are the commands used for managing transactions in the database. TCL is used for managing the changes made by DML.
What is a data abstraction in DBMS? Data abstraction in DBMS is a process of hiding irrelevant details from users. Because database systems are made of complex data structures, it makes accessible the user interactions with the database. Following are three levels of data abstraction. Physical level. It is the lowest level of abstraction. It describes how data are stored. And the second level is logical level. It's the next higher level of abstraction. It describes what data are stored in the database and what the relationship among those data is. And the third level is view level. It is the highest level of data abstraction. It describes only part of the entire database.
Alright folks, that wraps up our discussion on some essential database management systems interview questions. I hope you found this video informative and valuable in preparing for your upcoming interviews. If you have any specific questions or need more interview questions, please don't hesitate to drop them in the comment section below. See you in the next video.